Hello guys, my name is Reese Christopher Ethan and I've written this great comedy called The F of Happiness, or the craziest road trip ever, and I'm looking for your support to make it come true. It's a movie about four people finding the F of their happiness through a journey from Thessaloniki to Athens in Greece, and all the mishaps and misfortunes and all the comic events that happen during that trip that bonds them together and makes them find the sparkle that makes them live happily instead of nagging all the time. I believe this project is really important, and I really think that I think it's important because right now in Greece the media has failed to provide any entertainment for the Greeks, and what I'm aiming to do is do this film that everyone can go in the cinema with a cheap entrance and enjoy for 1.5 hours, laugh out loud, and then go home with a smile on their faces. Because right now the things in Greece are so bad that people are actually killing themselves to get away from this situation that we're in. I'm a student in London and I'm studying theatre, and this is my first project, and I'm really into it. I want to do something good, and the tech that I'm going to use is cheap, but it's going to have wonderful effects, and basically what I need is £750 to cover the equipment rental and catering during filming. Film is going to last for 5 weeks, so that's like the maximum basically budget that I need, and with your help I can make it come true and make it come alive, and you will have helped the Greek industry to go abroad and compete to do several festivals equally as other countries. And well, that's my dream, and I hope you support me. Thank you very much for your consideration, and I hope we'll see this movie being done and being completed. And of course there's pledges for everyone, and there's pledges for those who give £5, they're gonna get a free copy of the film, and other pledges that you can see on the left side of the screen. And that's it. I just want to thank you in advance for helping me, and I hope we can cooperate and you can help me make this film come true.